Guys, welcome to Fab Dentist. In this video we are going to discuss about ugly duckling stage, which is also known as broadband phenomena. So without getting delayed, let's get started. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe as it motivates me to make more videos. What is the introduction for this ugly duckling stage? Basically seen in second transitional period of mixed dentition. It is a self-correcting malocclusion, also known as broadband phenomena, seen in maxillary incisor region between the age of 8 to 9 years. This is a particular situation seen during the eruption of permanent canine. This is important. Basically, broadband phenomena or ugly duckling stage is seen during the eruption of permanent canines. Reason: as the developing permanent canine erupts, they displace the root of lateral incisor mesially. You can see over these diagrams. Resulted in transmitting the force onto the root of the central incisor, which also get displaced mesially. You can see over these three diagrams. As a resultant distal diversion of the crown of the two central incisors causes midline spacing. This condition usually corrects by itself when canine erupt and the pressure is transferred from the root to the coronal area of incisor. These are the 5 diagrams. Now we can understand this. During ugly duckling stage, when there is eruption of permanent canine during the age of 8 to 9 years, the permanent canines, the erupting canines, forces towards the root of the lateral incisor, which leads to the displacement of the root mesially and the crown portion distally, which again forces, you can see over this diagram, which can again forces the root of central incisor to shift mesially, which leads to the distal diversion of the crown portion of central incisor, which leads to a midline spacing, which get corrected over the time when the permanent canine erupted into its normal occlusion. Thank you. Hope you liked it. Please do like, subscribe and share.